of the year, or if I may be both, the decade rather.
I would have to agree with you. Mula sa big contract signing hanggang sa mga pasabog na dadagdag sa pamilya ni Kuya, everything is pointing to a big, fresh, and groundbreaking season ahead.
Love how you said that, and we couldn't be more thrilled to have you here all with us to witness yet another epic chapter in this incredible journey. Good afternoon, everybody. I am Kaloy Tingkuko.
Hello, Kaloy. Ako po si Ai de la Cruz. And this is Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition, The Big Media Con!
Alrighty. What a way to start the program. Magandang hapon po.
Sa lahat po ng mga kasama natin ngayon, excited na rin ba kayo sa 20th anniversary ng pinakasikat na bahay sa bansa?
Yeah!
Hindi pa sila ganun ka-excited. Isa pa, excited naman kayo sa 20th anniversary ng pinakasikat na bahay sa bansa? And all the way from the backstage, meron tayong nakukuha mga response, no?
Napansin mo, may sumigaw din sa backstage.
Hanapan natin all the festivities that we are about to face. We would like to also greet and acknowledge the presence of our big bosses from both networks, GMA.
Hi, Mavi!
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon and I hope you enjoy today. It's very exciting for everyone and enjoy.
Maraming salamat, Mavi.
Alam mo, first time ko makita si Mavi in person. Ang cute
And how is
niya
it?
talaga!
He has that charm.
Yes, ang pogi. I'm so glad you're part of the PBB family now.
We all are.
Maraming salamat,
Yes.
maraming salamat.
And up next, we have ang Gen Z bestie ni Kuya, Hello, Alexa!
Hi everyone! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for being here. And I'm also happy to be here. So, let's just enjoy the day. Thank you for coming.
Ever stunning si Alexa.
She is definitely.
Kabatch
I was about
natin
to
yung
say,
Gen Z. Oo, Gen Z.
Pasok sa Gen Z. Alright.
At wala nang mas Gen Z pa dito, Kaloy. Ang kuanti ni Francisco!
Hello, good afternoon sa lahat. Sa ating mga boss dito, sa ating mga kapuso, hello po ma'am, attorney. And sa mga boss din natin sa kapamilya, hello, good afternoon. Sa ating mga press one if you like it. And thank you for attending sa online. Hello, hello, hello Philippines and hello world.
Yes!
What a way to open the program, you know.
Kitang-kita mo kung bakit siya naging big winner, of course, si Ma'am Shimelay.
And she still has it.
Of
That-
ang ating Ma'am Shimel.
If you pick up from that, paano mo move on doon? Next up, ang tambay sa bahay ni Kuya, Robbie Feeling fan here.
Hello po sa lahat ng mga kapamilya at mga kapuso po natin sa online world. Dati usap-usapan lang to hanggang sa finally nagkadaupang palad yung two biggest media giants sa isang bahay. At ngayon, magsisimula na ang makukulay na buhay sa loob ng Big Brother House. And we are just so excited. Thank you so much for being here.
Salamat sa ating prom king, si Robbie.
Exciting times ahead for everybody. Next up, ang...
Look at that, para tayo nasa beauty pageant naman. Ang ganda.
Take a spin. There you go.
Grabe naman ang gabi.
Hi everybody! Good afternoon! This is it! Malapit na ang biggest collab na inaabangan nating lahat. First of all, thanks to everybody who's here, who's present right now, and to our online audience. Hello po, hello mga kapuso, mga kapamilya.
Thank you, Gabby.
Looking lovely in blue. At ang dating border ni Kuya,
Magsiluhod po, yes, sa institusyon. Miss
Hi
Bianca.
everyone! Good afternoon! Maraming salamat for joining us on a Saturday. I know ang dami niyong ibang pwedeng gawin on a weekend, but thank you. This means the world to us na kahit 20 years na ang Pinoy Big Brother, grabe pa rin ang suporta ng aming friends from the press and the media. And of course,
This 20th year, we are stronger than ever. Siyempre, ang mga kapamilya at kapuso join forces. So, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Miss Bianca. Pero syempre, yan, na si Enchong D at ang next door na kabonding ni Kuya na si Kim Chu.
That's right, ay may mga tasks lang sila dito sa outside world kaya hindi sila makakasama natin today. Pero meron po silang maikling message para sa ating lahat. Okay naman, let's all watch this.
Puso sa lahat ng mga kapamilya and of course sa ating mga media friends na nandito ngayong araw. Maraming salamat po. And of course, welcome to PBB Collab! Maraming salamat to my PBB fam dahil kasali pa rin ako sa 20th year ng Pinoy Big Brother. At syempre dahil 20th year, isang malaking pasabog po ang mag-collab with GMA. Kaya this is so exciting and this is so amazing. Kaya marami kaming dapat i-look forward. I mean, kayo pala, marami kayong dapat i-look forward ng mga pasabog ni Kuya. And congratulations to Big Brother, as always. Proud Chinese cutie ng Cebu 2006. Thank you so much, Kuya. And sa lahat naman nandyan.
Ayun po, i-welcome ang lahat na kasama namin ngayon dahil malaking bagay lagi i-impress yung mga kapamilya natin, mga content creators when it comes to sharing. Ngayon na naman, isang malaking pasasalamat dahil parte na naman po tayo ng 20th year ng Pinoy Big Brother. And this time, isang malaking collaboration between us. And gusto ko rin po humingi ng paumanhin kung wala ako ngayon dahil kasalukuyang may trabaho, may Dolyares na trabaho, so might as well. So I know you understand it. So just want to say thank you and much love to everyone.
May reaction si Ma'am Shimelay kanina.
All partner Enchong. Pasay, ingat kayo dyan. We will pray for your safe flights.
Yes! So, klaro po, kasama po natin, of course, si Kim Chu and Enchong D
That's
sa
right.
Pinoy Big Brother this season. Operating Officer for Broadcast, Tita Cory V. Bentanes! Hi, Miss Cory. Thank you po.
Good afternoon, Ms. Cory Bananas. Now it's time for us to hear the exclusive big pasabogs and big updates mula mismo sa pamilya ni Kuya.
Kwentuhan lang naman to. Yes, pero exciting
Casual.
kasi ang dami ng gustong milestone year. So, what will be the major differences in this season compared po sa last one at sa mga dati pang naging seasons ng PBB?
Yes, the one major difference obviously is that this is the first time in history na ang Pinoy Big Brother will air on GMA. So yun palang napakalaking bagay na. Honestly, as everyone here is, so excited. But honestly, I would say 50% excited, pero ako 50% nervous. Nervous because it's an entirely different audience. Paano kami tatanggapin ng mga kapuso, loyal fans? Will they like the format? Diba? Will they like our storytelling? That's why we super appreciate that Gabby and Mavi are joining us for this season. Kasi sa kanila mas familiar, diba? Ang mga loyal kapuso fans. But of course, aside from that, exciting yung Celebrity Collab Edition because for the first time also, in the past Celebrity Editions, we've had a mix of celebrities na iba't ibang industriya. Meron tayong sports, meron tayong social media, but for the first time, puro artista. And it's all artists, again, from Star Magic and Sparkle. And actually, the last time we did a full celebrity edition was 2007 pa. Sa Celebrity Edition 2, big winner si Ruben Gonzaga. That was the edition right before Robbie was a housemate on Teen Edition 2. So ganun nakatagal. The other Celebrity Editions kasi may kasama ng regular housemates or teens or parang naka-gitna in a longer edition. So this time, we're doing once again a standalone Celebrity Edition. So super, super exciting.
Miss B, can you please refresh our memories? Celebrity edition nga rin po ba yun? Kasi, Kaloy, yung mga hosts natin sa PBB, halos lahat sila talagang pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya.
I was about to say.
Naging housemate din talaga. So, can you please refresh our memories po kung anong season kayo? And since yung nga celebrity edition po ngayon, ano yung mga pwede naming abangan dito sa celebrity edition ng Collab?
Yan, okay. So kung refresh ako po, I was part of the OG Celebrity Edition, Season 1 in 2006. Grabe, si Kiana Reeves ang aming big winner noong panahon na yon. Alexa was part of Community Season 10. Is that correct? Si Robbie, Teen Edition 2. Si Mele, of course, ang big winner ng PBB Season 3. Yan.
Si Robby, sa season, diba, ikaw yung 1988.
Ano? Bakit?
1988.
Napakasakit.
2008.
Oo.
2008.
So yeah, like I said, nakakatuwa kasi nga, again, this is the first time na it's all actors, all artistas. And siguro at isipin ng tao, parang masyado namang pare-pareho kung puro artista. Pero ako, I got the privilege of sitting in sa final casting ng mga Sparkle and Star Magic artists. And I say na, for me, sobrang interesting ng season kasi ang dali-dali natin lahat mag-judge, di ba? We see a certain celebrity, oh, dali naman yan sumikat, or hindi naman yan talented, or bakit ba yan nandyan? But then when you get to know their stories, grabe din yung pagkakaiba ng pinagdaanan ng bawat isa. And we really cannot judge a celebrity sa kung ano lang yung nakikita natin or napapakita nila sa social media. So they may all have vlogs or be on social media, have Instagram, Facebook, pero iba pa rin pag makita mo sila in a house 24/7, galawang tao. So tao din sila with such colorful stories.
So exciting. Thank you very much, Miss B. Now, Gabby and Mavi, since yun nga nabanggit na natin, yung mga hosts, usually nagiging housemates.
Experience it
So,
themselves.
kung ako sila, kakabahan ako kung ako sila. So, anong feelings ngayon now that, you just heard that? Meron bang konting kapraningan na, wait, baka ikulong ako sa bahay ni Kuya?
Ayun, kinakabahan. No, but kidding aside, I'm also familiar with the tradition na yung mga hosts nga pinapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. So, ako, follower lang ako sa task ni Kuya. Ngayon, ang task ni Kuya sa akin mag-host po ako. Hindi ko na po alam yung following task. So, Kuya, ikaw na pong bahala sa akin.
Yun
So, laban mo yan sa
Takdang panahon.
That is.
How about you, Mavi?
Ako naman, kami ni Gary been asking so much questions din backstage eh. And siguro sasabihin ko na naka-ready na yung luggage ko eh. Naka-ready na yung bag ko eh.
Sigurado ka dyan.
Willing
Boy
po,
Scout.
willing.
Ready na. Naantay ko lang yung boss ni Kuya na, Mavi, papasok ka na yung bahay ni Kuya. Ngayon pa lang. Joke lang. Pero yeah, I'm excited. Pero at the same time, nakakaba din. Pero they say naman, parang retreat lang. So, that's what they say. Parang retreat lang. So, I look forward to that, retreat.
Huwag ka papabudol, Mavi.
That's what they say. Again, that's what they say.
May code si Melay para dyan eh.
Be careful what you wish.
Ayun. Anong
So
pagbabanta?
at least ready
One
si
team.
Mavi.
That's right.
To be fair, parang game naman po silang pareho. Palaban ang ating mga bagong hosts ng
They
PBB.
should be, of course. And I guess, and before anything else, I mean, sila ay mag-e-enjoy naman kapag pasok nila doon, di ba? Well, moving forward, para naman to again kay Gabby, na isa sa mga bagong
Part of some of the prime time from Mondays to Fridays. Also the weekend shows, I'll also be part of that. So super, super exciting. Mabigat na task, but I'm very, very game. And I'm looking forward to learn from my co-hosts. And how do I prepare? I've been watching the past season so far, oo. Pinag-aaralan ko din siya. Ang dami ding mga nagtatag sa akin on TikTok, yung mga hostings nila Ate Bianca, nila Robbie. And of course,
Sabi ko, wow, hindi mo kasama.
hindi, teka lang. Siyempre, yung pinaka-masterclass ko, from the big winner of all the big winners.
Char lang, kami nilulungo ko lang.
And syempre, diba, kailangan natin ng touch of Gen Z from Alexa. Ayun. So,
Got you.
oo. And I'm a student of Tito Boy, so I've been talking to him constantly. Actually, we had a phone call the other night. He's been telling me to go to him na so we can study the materials. And he also told me na, Bianca is also my student. So if you have anything, you have any problems, or you have any questions, I can go to her daw. So Ate Bianca, alam mo na,
I got you.
mamumulit ako sa'yo. Ayun.
We'll learn from the best, ika nga, no? And well,
Yes.
speaking of, pagkukulitin mo in the future si Miss Bianca, have you had any chance na makapag-sit in with one of them, one-on-one, getting tips and yung mga ways on how to host for PBB from the
Yeah.
Kapamilya hosts?
Well, actually, every time we see each other, I always ask tons of questions. Kung paano ba sila, kung paano yung kalakaran. I always ask, how's the schedule? Kalakaran talaga. So how do you guys do it? Do you have any tips for me? And they've been very, very generous with all the information, all the knowledge, and they've been really good friends. So I'm excited to learn more.
Exciting for everybody.
Oh, we can't wait to see you also sa PBB very, very soon, Gabby. Okay, and now, dito naman tayo sa Palaban. Palaban na Robbie P.I. Ball.
Context daw. Oo.
Oh, talagang ako, sinabi ko lang Palaban. Si Ma'am Shimel Sam nag-ano,
Bigyan
direct
ng
to the point.
context, oo.
Oo, direct to the point. Pero, Robbie, yun na nga, no? Medyo connected doon yung tanong ko sa'yo tungkol sa social media, virality. Kasi last season, nakita talaga natin yon. We saw how TikTok and online clips played a huge role in the show's pop. Yung mga clips, tapos
screen
yun yung
grabbing.
viral. Parang ang dami tuloy naging involved at talagang invested lalo sa kwento ng mga housemates. So this season ba, do you think this season's housemates will be more conscious of that? Or do you think they will let their natural selves shine despite the online pressure? Parang ano sa tingin mo yung magiging challenge nito?
I think pag sinabing celebrity, ano na agad eh, ingrained na sa kanya yung defense systems, yung mechanism na you have to be prepared, especially when you go online, di ba? Madaming mga unnecessary comments, mga trolls. So, ang celebrity, especially last season, I'm sure ngayon sa comment section, hinahanap nila, nasan si Fiang? Sigurado ako, nasan si Fiang?
Sino pa ba makakasagot niya?
Oo.
Everyone is looking for her.
Nag-rehearse kanina, nakita namin.
Yes.
For a different program naman. Pero, yun, being viral is a good thing. Pero may mga repercussions din siya. Siyempre, ano yung repercussions?
Ewan ko sa'yo kung sabi dyan eh.
May mga effects siya. So, last season yung first na
Parang first stern warning.
yes, actually every week nagpapaalala kami na be kind sa social media kasi grabe na yung mga threats talaga na nare-receive ng mga housemates. And their families are involved as well. Kaya grabe kami sa pag-prepare ng mga sarili namin. I'm sure for this season, especially celebrities, handa sila. But at the same time, yung mga celebrities, gumagawa ng social media para ipakita yung kakaibang side nila. Diba? Na marunong din ako magluto. Ito rin yung mga hobbies ko. Tao rin ako. Tulad ng sinabi ni Ate Bianca, at the end of the day, celebrities are people as well, just like you and me. Just like everyone else. Kaya makikita nila yung different side of all the celebrities from Sparkle and from Star Magic na papasok sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Very well said. Thank you, Mayor Robbie.
Thank you, candidate number 2.
Well, ang main takeaway dyan is really be kinder on social media especially. Diba?
Nahanap ko na nga yung NBI.
Oo!
Tinawagan ka na ba?
Hindi ako yung kinukuan mo.
Wala
May follow-up na pala.
Wala dong.
Pero reminders din ito kay Mavi and kay Gabi because pati mga host din, pinipressure din ng mga
Yeah.
mga
Thank you,
basher.
Auntie, for that reminder.
Yes, be ready lang kayo. Kasi talagang grabe talaga sila. Magpapa-NBI na rin kayo.
Kinuha ko na nga yung contact kay Robby.
Okay, Robby, para talaga.
Eh talaga, kwento siya talaga ng totoong buhay. ano?
Mainit
We
ba?
see that,
Bakit
oh,
may electric fan ka?
right here sa stage.
Sabi naman kasi tahimik dito, baka naman tayo
Pero with that, Auntie Melay, the next question is for you. Ito, meron ka ba dyang masashare new celebrity housemates ni Kuya this season? And also, ano yung criteria sa pagpili sa kanila? Oo, ano yung...
Actually, ang criteria for judging is talagang grabe. Talagang this season, grabe talaga ang mga percentage. Kasi syempre, kapuso at kapamilya pinag-isto. Grabe ang pressure ng ating mga celebrity. Ngayon, marami na nga akong nalaman ngayon eh. Ano, sasabihin ko na?
Ay, hindi pwede.
Para mawala
That
ako
is for another
mawala
day.
ako sa opening ng kuhan.
Sa tandang panahon daw po.
Ay, basta meron akong nalaman. Ay, parang may mga... God! Pwede bang sabihin? Sige. May mga siyempre celebrity to, di ba? May mga vlogger. Okay. Ano mga marites dyan, nakaready na talaga. Okay, parang ako ang may malit dito ha. May vlogger, may mga gumagawa ng teleserye ngayon. Oo, celebrity pa na sila, no? Basta ito lang ang masasabi ko, gumagala pa rin sa kayo, mag-ingat kayo. Hindi,
Virus pala.
Hindi, okay, kasi after this, ilang days na lang, iko-quarantine na sila. Kung baga, ikukulong na sila sa hotel.
In preparation.
Sa hotel arrest na muna sila in preparation para magkaroon sila ng mood na papasok talaga sila sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And the criteria is syempre, yung talagang maraming series of tests. May test sa DepEd. Hindi, may test sa... Matagal test 20. Hindi, may test sila na ginawa sa medical test. May medical test para sure talaga na hindi ka magkakasakit sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Kaya sayang baya ang pagpasok mo. And may psychological test. Kasi ako may muntik akong kumana. So, hindi. So, yun lang talaga. So, yun naman ang awan. And talagang na-surprise na yun ng lahat. Ngayon, waiting na lang sila for their hotel arrest.
Tama naman.
Yung may naintindihan kayo?
Ito nga, habang nagsasalita si Ma'am Shimels, bumulong sa akin si Kuloy, hindi ko sure kung seryoso pa siya. Kaloy, seryoso lagi si Ma'am Shimels.
Sabi ko, filter ko ba dapat yung sagot niya kung ano yung pipick up ko doon? But yeah. Very well said, Conky Meloy. Pero may follow-up question pa ako regarding that. So, you've known Jive together or mas in the first week pa lang magkaka-clash na?
For that question, Kaloy, can I have 1-5?
Alam mo, by the way,
Wala kasi
Seryoso yun.
by the way to the media and everyone here, this is the second time I've heard 1-5 today. After stepping foot inside the Kapamilya boundaries. Narinig ko siya 1-5 kanina sa dressing room and then now here
I'm
from
very
you.
sorry.
Sinabi ko
Mataas ang
si
bigay.
Kuya.
Gimit kasi kami pareho.
Panggas lang siya. Hindi, the correct, ano ba yun? The dynamics? Ano ba yung tanong na yun?
Kamusta ba yung one
Hindi,
day
sa
na?
loob talaga ng bahay ni Kuya, marami talagang pinipili si Kuya ng mga different kinds of people. Basta people ha, hindi talaga tayo pwedeng magbahan dyan. So, meron tayong mga seryoso, meron tayong mga parang maloko, kagaya ko, and meron din tayong mga parang sa studios, kagaya ni Robin.
Ayun.
So, studios? Study
Kasi nga stud siya, above siya yun.
So, lahat ng yan, imimix yan ni Kuya para magkaroon tayo ng magandang istorya ng buhay sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
That's what we want. Colorful stories from different housemates at saka talaga yung diversity inside the house.
English eh, Kaloy naman.
Pero napapansin mo ba, nasa hosts pa lang tayo, pero willing ka nang panoorin yung buong season kahit
Ano?
sila lang eh.
Yes, this has so much story to tell. Sila,
Yeah.
a colorful, well, beginning with their clothes, and then the stories that they tell now, right in front of us, talaga namang, alam mong magiging colorful and talagang jam-pack itong
Oo.
season na to, lalo.
Hosts pa lang excited na lahat, yung fact na nag-collab nga ang GMA Network and ABS-CBN Studios, at isa pang inaabangan ng lahat,
What is that,
syempre,
Ai?
yung itsura ng magiging bahay ni Kuya. So ito ay para kay Alexa, ang Gen Z bestie.
Sa aking source, sa aking reliable source, na madaming touch of ABS-CBN and of course ng GMA dun sa itsura ng bahay. So probably with the colors, you'll see the colors of the two networks and magiging isang buong collab yung bahay. And madami ding brands na nagtatap sa atin for this season. They want to be a part of our collab season. Gusto nila makipag-collaborate. So, ngayon pa lang po maraming salamat sa lahat ng brands who want to be part of this collab edition. So, yun pa lang ang masispill ko sa'yo, BJI. Abangan. Excited.
Hindi nakakagulat na ang daming brands that are tapping for collaboration here with us ngayong season kasi talaga namang jam-pack again. And also, we are expecting a lot of surprises this season of Pinoy Big Brother.
And since Alexa, yun nga, birthday mo nga. So baka pwede kami makarinig ng meron ka bang birthday wish ngayon? Lalo na pa-start na ang PBB. And you're also starting a musical. Liwanag sa Dilim. Congratulations!
Khalil, yeah. Birthday wish for me and for the whole Pinoy Big Brother collab edition. Of course, I wish na maging successful din talaga. Although I'm pretty sure it is because it's gonna be it's super duper exciting. And if I had a wish for myself, I guess just to sustain or to receive an overflow of blessings. And not just for me, but for the people around me as well. And yes, Liwanag sa Dilim, we start this March 7 na. So I'm excited. Yeah.
full of blessings.
Good things
Ang,
ahead of
March
you.
Ni Alexa, March 7, Liwanag sa Muli, March 9.
And
Pinoy
ito,
Big
blessing ko
Brother.
to.
Yes.
To still be part of this. So I'm very happy. Kuya, thank you po.
Congratulations, Alexa. All right, moving forward, we have Mavi, one of the newest hosts. There'll be, can you tell us more about it? Kung ano yung nangyayari doon, and what should fans expect from your online tambayan, lalo na about sa mga updates para sa mga housemates natin sa loob ng bayan ni Kuya.
Siyempre, first of all, it's an honor to be an online host together with Architect Alexa. Kasi parang alam niya yung structure ng bahay ni Kuya eh. Na every
Ganun pag
season
host,
may...
dapat inaaral.
Galing.
Char lang.
Bilang architect. Pero syempre, kami ni Alexa, kami nang bahala sa online. Kasi syempre, PBB has so much fans eh. So we want to get the best of both worlds. Yung mga good comments and of course, di maiwasan yung bad comments din. And of course, we just want to give our pointers din to help our housemates and of course, direct a certain attention for the audience, no, for the people watching PBB, and to create an atmosphere, a healthy one. We'll try our best, kami ni Alexa, to create a healthy environment for our housemates and of course the hosts, and at the same time, yung mga viewers din. So I'm really excited and looking forward to that, kami ni Alexa, yung sa online gig naman. So that's tuwing mga commercial break, and then we're gonna see the comments, babasahin namin, we're gonna talk about it, kung ano ba yung nangyari sa bahay ni Kuya that week. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to it.
Keywords dyan,
Grabe
healthy
palakpak ni Mela, yo.
environment.
O, anong sabi ni Mavi?
Sobra akong proud sa'yo,
Maraming salamat, Ma. Maraming salamat, Ma.
And for sure, with you guys, Gabby and Mavi joining the PBB season this year,
Medyo mabigat yung kanilang task kasi
That is
online yan eh. So yun nga tulad ng sinabi mo, mag-establish kayo ng healthy environment. So
Yes.
good luck sa inyo
Maraming
sa
salamat.
task na yan.
Full of commentaries.
Oo, full of commentaries. Tama yun, Robbie. Pero ito namang tanong na ito ay para sa lahat. Yes. So saan na po PBB?
this is exciting. We wanna hear it.
Yes, this is it. Mapapanood niyo po ang lahat ng episodes ng Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition from Monday to Sunday sa Free TV on GMA! Pero of course, bukod dito, madaming nagtatanong sa atin, Robbie, di ba? We are so happy to share na mapapanood din ang Pinoy Big Brother sa Kapamilya Online Live, sa I Want TFC, and of course, sa TFC para sa ating mga supporters abroad. Yay!
Alright, there you go. Big announcements from Miss Bianca. Thank you very much, Miss Bianca, Gabby, Robbie, Melay, Alexa, at Mavi sa pagbibigay ng insights at big updates mula kay Kuya. Pero syempre, hindi pa natatapos dyan ang big pasabog ni Big Brother for all of us. Dahil kat ang Pinoy na nagsilbi bilang theme song ng kauna-unahang Celebrity Edition ng PBB, magkakaroon din ng bagong tunog, bagong version at bagong mga henerasyon ng mga talented artists from both networks na magbibigay buhay sa bahay ni Kuya sa edisyong ito.
But it's a theme song, it's a big collab, mga kapuso at kapamilya. Exciting, di ba? Pero, sino nga kaya sila? Without further ado, here's the pasabog update mula mismo sa dalawang artists na napili ni Kuya. Kaya naman, let's all watch this.
Historical day-to-day, kasi syempre ang daming mangyayari, daming magaganap. It's a GMA X ABS-CBN collaboration once again, and Ate Julie and I are so honored to be part of this. Ayun.
Yes, and it's also, you know, a dream come true for everybody. Siguro sa part din ng artists because we have been waiting for this moment na talagang mag-collaborate ang GMA artists and ABS-CBN artists. Itong song na to is 19 years old na.
19 years old.
Oh, 19 years old na, of course. Written by the one and only Mr. Jonathan Manalo. It's truly an honor to be singing one of his creations na bibigyan namin ng bagong flavor.
Of course, they're going to be hearing a newer sound from this song kasi this was originally sung by Ate Tony Gonzaga and Kuya Samuel Bidin. That was 19 years ago, so our take is more modern. There's a new sound to it, and syempre, iba yung pakiramdam na ito na yung bagong generasyon na yung makakarinig sa kantang ito na nirelease 19 years ago pa.
Well, for sure, marami rin na curious like, wondering kung ano kaya, kung how do they sound like together, diba? So, yeah, they will be hearing our voices sa TV or like sa radyo, diba? Or every time na may like, papalabas na yung PBB, diba?
Ang cool, ngayon ko nga lang din naisip pala yun. Every time na mapapanood na yung
Airing
PBB,
na.
yung boses muna naman yung maririnig nila. So, it's cool.
Sikat ng Pinoy! Sikat ng Pinoy!
Mga kapuso at mga kapamilya, sa pagbubukas ng bahay ni Kuya,
Malapit na rin natin marinig ang pinakabagong version ng theme song ng PBB Celebrity Collab Edition. Abangan yan this March 9.
That is our first big surprise for this afternoon. Yes, collab on all boards. Alam mo naman na collab the network and then collab even the artist that's gonna sing the newest version of her song.
Yes, we will have Julian San Jose and Darren singing Sikat ng Pinoy!
Are they here?
Yes,
Joining us?
wala,
Yeah,
wala
so-
sila. Oo, may task din, may task. Pero, kanina habang pinapanood natin yung video, parang
Got
mga
reactions.
reactions po ang ating PBB host.
Especially Ate Bianca.
Yes!
What can you say about it?
Kasi yun yung music na narinig na every single
The OG Celebrity Edition.
Excited na din ako marinig yung new version. And I told Gabi kanina, sila yung perfect choice na mag-collab to sing this song. Si Julian at si Darren.
They perfectly represent each network, no? So, kapuso at kapamilya. At dahil sobrang generous ni Kuya today, well, meron pa siyang big update para sa inyo.
Meron pa!
Oo, meron pa. There's more, there's more.
Ayaw na ni Ma'am Shimelay. Pero totoo yan, meron pa nga. Ngayon mismo, magkabagong celebrity housemate for this season! Are you guys ready? Ikaw na tao, mag-record na tayo. Mga kapamilya, mga kapuso, let's watch this!
Anniversary ng Pinoy Big Brother. Mangyayari na ang biggest collab ever. Kapuso at kapamilya magsasama-sama para sa pinakabagong Celebrity Edition. Mapapanood sa GMA Kapamilya Online Live. I Want TFC at TFC. Kapuso at kapamilya, we win together as one. Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. Ngayong March 9 na. Weekdays 10 p.m. Weekends 6:15 p.m.
Thank you, guys. Ang pa.
Isa pa.
Pwede pa take two? Ang bilis naman.
Screenshot. Capture na.
Teaser talaga, no? At saka, well, from the looks of it, may mga na kita kong mga pamilyar na
May
artists eh.
nakilala ka na?
Oo,
Galing
so,
mo naman.
well, maliit lang ang industriya.
Oo, actually.
Talaga naman. At saka yun, may isa akong nakilala right before my very eyes.
Ay, may friend ka na doon. Wow.
Pero ito ang nakakalungkot.
Initials.
Hindi, nakakalungkot. Ay, initials.
Bawal.
Pero may isang press na yun na hindi niya na-press yung cellphone niya dahil na-full na yung
Memory.
Hindi
Ayun.
niya nakita yung, hindi niya na slow motion.
Yun yan.
Sharp.
Oo.
Ikaw, false information, Papa NBI ka.
Pero may hinanap ako doon.
You were looking for...
Yun lang, wala na naman si Bianca. Ano ba
Actually,
yan?
hanap siya ng lahat eh, no?
Yes, pero alam nyo, pagkatapos nga ng lahat ng mga pasabog ni Kuya, alam namin na you're all eager to get to know more about this edition. Kaya naman, we are now opening the floor for our questions from the media. So ito naman ang chance nyong magtanong.
This is what they're here for. And we are starting off the Q&A from Isa Iglesias from Manila Times.
So, who would have thought, diba, na magsasama for this show? My first question is for Robbie and Bianca. So, you've been with the show for quite some time, you know, and I remember nung in-announce na magkakakolab yung both networks, parang medyo kinabahan kayo nung una kung mariretain ba kayo or not. So, ano yung feeling na instead na mabawasan kayo, mas dumami pa yung part ng PBB family, and nung nalaman nyo na si Mavi and Gabby yung makakasama ninyo, ano yung naging reaction niyo?
Definitely ako bilang ate ng lahat, I'm happy to have more siblings join the family, kumbaga. And I think the best thing about working with pamilya ni Kuya, ako kasi, I've been hosting the show, same as what they said, 19 years. So after ko maging housemate sa Celebrity Edition 1, nung teen edition na si Kim Chu yung big winner, I hosted na. And for the longest time, meron kaming template ni Tony, Mariel, at ako on how to do the show. And that's all I knew. And then suddenly, life happened. Mariel had to leave, and then Tony just recently, parang nagkaroon ng ibang timpla. Although Robbie joined us later on, John Prats even, and then Melay. I love learning from them. And I've told them this, na ay may iba pa palang way on how to host PBB. Hindi lang yung kung ano yung nakasanayan namin, yun na yun. And that's what I appreciate. Lagi akong may natututunan kay Robbie, kay Melay, of course, Kim and Enchong,
Kami
and
ang may natutunan sa iyo, TV.
who joined us last year. And looking forward ako kasi ibang flavor naman ang dadala ni Gabby and ni Mavi na matututo din kaming lahat. Parang kumbaga may pamilya ni Kuya kami tapos mag-iiba din yung dynamics dahil madadagdagan ng saya.
Same. Genuine happiness, especially this is my first time working with Mavi, and also I've been working with Gabby in different events, and finally on TV, and sa isang malaking proyekto such as Pinoy Big Brother. We're just really happy kasi nadadagdagan yung pamilya. At least yung yun ang masarap, walang nabawas. Thank you, Lord. Diba? And same time, it's like how we welcome them here in ABS-CBN as well. And yung PBB era sa GMA, we really need Gabby and Mavi to help us know the Kapuso crowd. Paano ba yung ganito na sasabihin din namin. Kaya it really works. It's a big collab. But for me, it's a big co-love.
Ganda nun.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much, Miss Iza.
Thank you, Miss Iza. Ilang weeks mong prepare yung Robbie. Ang ganda na na. Pinag-isipan mo talaga yan. Collab. Thank you. And now let's go to our next friend, Bix Buzz!
Hi! Hello! Congratulations and happy 20th anniversary. Grabe tanda ni Robbie.
Uy, grabe!
1 year, naka 1 season ka na as a host. Tapos, ano yung mga natutunan mo na gusto mong i-share sa kasama mo sa online hostings na si Mavi?
Una po sa lahat, again, I'm so thankful na mapabilang pa rin sa pamilya ni Kuya. Honestly, I thought hindi na ako makakasama for this season. But I was so happy to get the call na I'm still part of this season. Lalo na, collab pa. Who wouldn't want to be part of this season, diba? So, thank you, Lord. And again, thank you po kay Kuya talaga. And sa pamilya ni Kuya, I'm very happy to be with them again. And siguro, sa 1 year ko po as an online host, ang mabibigay ko po siguro na advice kay Mavi is to learn how to balance all the fun and when it's time to be serious. Kasi may times kapag nag-host, since everything's live, it's like you're always on your toes, thinking of what to say, what to banter with your co-host, or with the housemate, or with the audience. And may times na sa sobrang enjoy mo, nakikarry the way ka, baka may masabi kang hindi dapat. So I guess it was also a learning, a lesson for me to know when to balance na okay, serious na ako and yung fun lang and yung pagiging seriousness as a host. So nakuha mo ba yun, Mavi?
Roger that, architect.
Okay.
Isa na lang kay Melay. Melay, ano pakiramdam mo na mapapanood ka na ng mga Kapuso viewer?
Maraming salamat sa katanungan mo, Mars. Sobrang love ko talaga to si Brixie. Sobra akong happy. Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity na makasama ko din si Mavi at saka si Gabby sa pamilyang ito. And siyempre, mapanood tayo sa Kapuso. Hindi din alam kung matatanggap pa tayo ng Kapuso, pero I'm very sorry, Kapuso. Wala nang makakapigil nito. So, huwag kayong mag-alala. Ilalaban na dito. Pero isa lamang ang masisiguro namin, sasayahan namin ang Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. And basta ang maging hindi ko na, tapos na.
Vix, abangan mo, meron kaming guesting. Nakita ko na online sa March 7 sa Family Feud.
Tara.
Oo! Abangan
May
niya.
Team Melay ba? Team Melay.
Yeah,
Siya yung
Team
leader.
PBB.
PBB
Team
Cola.
PBB.
Team Melay yung leader ng team.
Hindi ko ulit si Ate P.
Si Gabi. Siyempre, siya ang nag-welcome sa amin sa Kapuso.
Pero masaya yung episode. Abangan niyo si Ate Melay sa ano. Kung ano sasabihin niya sa jackpot. Kung mananalo kami.
Pero for sure, pupusuan naman ng mga kapuso itong PBB collab.
Salamat.
Pero may tanong pa ako kay Marcos. Ayan, busy si Marcos.
Ay, Sir Marcos, may tanong daw.
Uy, crush namin lahat sa Sir Marcos.
Ako gusto ko lang crush sa Sir Marcos.
Crush ng bayan dito.
Oo nga, correct. Pwede siyang housemate, no?
I know. Alam mo ba si Sir Marcos ang pumunta sa akin sa bahay sa Jensan? Nung nag-audition ako niya si Sir Marcos tapos boss ko.
Siya nag-immerse.
Siya ang sobrang crush ko talaga.
Tsaka tama ba? Mula season 1.
Hindi lang siya pang housemate, pang house band yan.
Yeah.
Material.
I love you, Sir.
May mga pakan siya.
Attorney Marcos? Yes, Sir Marcos.
Pero ayun nga, kamusta yung audition process? Nahirapan ba kayo? And ano yung mga klase ng celebrity housemate na hinahanap nyo for this season?
Hindi kami nahirapan kasi nga ito naman directed talaga yung yung hinahanap na it's coming from Sparkle and Star Magic. So they came up with a list. So they invited their celebrities to be interviewed by us. And just so you know, mga around 92 yung in-interview naming celebrities, but around mga 36 yung nag-final casting. But kung ilan talaga yung papasok, yun yung kailangan yung abangan kung ilan sila. But the casting process was really interesting for us, and it's like any other casting process na we were looking for the right mix, we're looking for the personality. Yun nga, sabi ng mga host kanina, it's not just about your credentials as celebrities, it's more your story, your personalities in the mix.
How about the formats? Pasado ba yung format kasi 20th anniversary ito?
Okay, sobrang pasabog yung format this season.
First time,
I can say na whatever mechanics will be done this season, it's the first time that we'll be doing it for Pinoy Big Brother. So please, abangan yan. Sa first week yan, malalaman yung big pasabog for this season.
It's exciting.
Juicy. Yes.
Pinig ko yung format o hindi kasama si Mel.
Opening lang pala ako, no?
Thank you so much. Congratulations to everyone. Happy 20th anniversary. First question for Mavi, one of the newest members of PBB family. First, parang ushering a new era, no? Hosting talaga. And maraming hindi nag-expect na ikaw pala yung ipapakilala. So, what was your reaction when you were first invited or asked to do this as your next project? Did you have to go through an audition or nag-screening ba muna?
Actually, nag-audition ako. Kinulong ako sa bahay ni Kuya for 1 month. Joke lang. Actually, in-offer lang sa akin. I was offered this job. And of course, syempre, nagulat talaga ako. Because syempre, lahat naman tayo fan ng PBB. I also watched PBB growing up also. Syempre, yung last season na napanood ko actually was Alexa season eh. So, saktong-sakto nung sinabi nila na makakatrabaho ko si Alexa sa online hosting, sabi ko, yes kaagad because of course, other than it's such an honor to do this job also, si Alexa ay kaibigan ko for the longest time. So, hit two birds with one stone. It's an honor to do PBB at the same time work with Alexa and together with these amazing hosts, mga ate at kuya ko. It's no-brainer talaga. I mean, who wouldn't say yes to this?
I love it. Gusto ko yung sinabi ni, hit two birds in one stone. Sabi ni, galing ni.
And I quote, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Yeah, thank you, Mavi. Additional question pala, ano na lang ang ine-expect mo with this new, kasi nga bago din siya sa'yo, although you had a show naman with your mom and your sister before, pero iba kasi to eh, kumbaga, solo ka na with Alexa, wala na with family.
Syempre look forward to doing this for the first time on my own. No? May pressure but at the same time, ayoko isipin yun because I want to give my best sa lahat ng audience, no, who's gonna watch PBB, no, and of course, just look forward to getting to know the housemates, you know, and also lahat ng mga comments ng mga viewers ng PBB. to get to know the environment, and of course, like what I mentioned, like what I said kanina, do my best to create a healthy space and a healthy environment for everyone.
Thank you, Mavi.
Thank you, maraming salamat.
Ma'am Shimelay, ang dami mong show PBB yung isa sa nag-pave ng way talaga para maging host ka. So, anong level of parang work din and dedication yung ibibigay mo dito? Kasi nga, ang dami mo ng hosting projects, pero hindi ka pa rin nakakalimot kung saan ka nanggaling.
Anong level of
Dedication sa work.
100% dedication talaga, lalo na sa Pinoy Big Brother. Kasi siyempre dito ako nagsimula, dito talaga ako nakilala. Pinilit talaga ng tadhana na makilala ako. Kaya talaga, parang kumbaga utang na loob ko sa Pinoy Big Brother. Kahit nga wala akong sweldo eh.
Ay, wow! Okay daw, sabi ni Direk Loren, noted.
Direk. Siyempre, Direk, may mga kwan ka sa akin, may mga inaanak. So, i-dedicate ko talaga ang kwan ko, at saka naka-schedule na talaga ang Pinoy Big Brother for my heart and for this.
So, syempre, first time kang mapapanood sa GMA, no? Sabi nga ni VJ Ai kanina, paano kapag bigla kang pinapasok sa bahay ni Kuya? Game ka pa ba?
Parang hindi ko na kayang pumasok. Uy, kasi siyempre may mga anak tayo. Pero kung ipasok kaming pamilya, di okay na.
Papanoorin namin lahat yun.
Kasi para makalibre na rin kami ng bigas at saka makalibre na rin lahat. Kasi mahal na ng kuryente, mahal na rin ang kuhan. So, why not? Big Brother, sige na lang. Kasi ginawa namin hotel para magkaroon na rin kami ng staycation.
Uy, why not? Uy, binibigyan niyo si Marcos ng
Oy,
idea.
give chance to other. Huwag naman tayong lagi na lang tayo pumapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. I-give chance to other kasi iba ang experience sa ilang milyon natin dito sa Pilipinas. Bihira lang kayong makapasok sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. So, give chance to other. Huwag naman puro tayo. Malay niyo, isa naman sa mga press ang makapasok. Ay, the press edition! Ayun ano? Sino kaya ang mamumuna? At sino ang makukuleran sa videohan? Kasi bibidyohan na talaga kung ano yung mga updated. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ma'am Shimelay. Last question po for Direk Loren. We know that this is a big milestone for both ABS, GMA, and the whole Philippine TV industry. So, how do you think po this collaboration will really, kumbaga, up the ante or big help for our industry?
Up the ante daw. The industry. Well, paano pag nahirap na tanong sa akin mo binigay? Groundbreaking siya eh. Diba? Anything groundbreaking creates a lot of opportunities. We're excited to note that a lot of brands are willing to partner with us because it's a collaboration of two very important media entities. So with that as well, we cannot really see the far future, but we know that a lot more possibilities that will contribute to the Philippine industry right now. Medyo, kasi ngayon, ang TV, challenge siya. Challenge siya by online, challenge siya by the other platforms na hindi necessary na sa Pilipinas, di ba? So, with the equity of Big Brother, at the same time, the collaboration of two entities na we're hoping that will spark a new interest in free TV. And at the same time, syempre, based on free TV, I'm sure sasanga-sanga na naman yan sa social media. But it will also signify that television is still here, free TV is still here. So we're very grateful to Channel 7 for allowing us to be in their platform on the 20th year of Big Brother. That's a great achievement, and even our format owner, the Bandy J, is very, very happy with this collaboration.
Thank you so much, Direk Loren, and congratulations po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bakit Big Brothers? Sobrang gulo ng bahay.
Ay, ang sasabog po utak si Jason. Tatlong melay na rin handa sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Maraming salamat, Jim P. Okay, now let's go to our next friend from the media from Random Republica, Sandy Cagurangan.
So I can speak kwento. So here's the kwento. Yes, I auditioned for PBB Teen Edition Season 4. The one where Myrtle won, I think, yes? Oo. So ang nangyari nun, I've been such a fan of PBB. I grew up watching PBB to the point na kasi late night siya pinabalabas. Nagpapaalam ako sa parents ko na pwede po bang mag-extend ng bedtime so I can watch and finish the whole episode. So when they announced on TV, and literally I was a kid watching the television, in my room, I saw PBB audition na meron, pwede kang pumila, kahit sino, niyaya ko na kagad yung mommy ko. Sabi ko, Mommy, I wanna line up and I wanna join. So I lined up, that was in Mall of Asia. It was such a long line. 5,000, I remember 5,000 auditionees that day. I was number 3,900 something. So I lined up from 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. the next day. Yes, ganun siya ka-intense. For 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. the next day, and I had to go to school. Nakakaloka, pinapagalitan ako ng mommy ko. Pero kasi I really wanted talaga. I was so curious as a kid to see what's really going on inside the house. And luckily, I got in the first screening. On the second screening, it was here na, inside the Bahay of Kuya. Inside the Bahay of Kuya.
It's okay, you're making kwento.
Yeah, making kwento.
Okay.
Hindi na ako na-blessed na makapasok after that. And you know, so today, it's such a full circle moment for me to be able to, you know, audition how many years ago, and then right now, I'm standing in front of you as a host. It's such a full circle. Sitting pala daw, sabi ni Ro. Pero ano, I'm so humbled and I'm so grateful for this opportunity. I'm thankful for the bosses, to the bosses of GMA, of ABS-CBN, for considering me to be part of this history. And I'm really excited to get to know all the housemates, to get to see the house. And abangan pa natin kung anong mangyayari sa akin sa taktong panahon. Hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari. Si Kuya na ang bahala.
Thank you so much
Thank
po and
you.
congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sandy.
Alright, next up is Bongga.
Ayan.
Glenn?
Good evening. Siyempre, harapan niya. Yan, siyempre congratulations sa bonggang-bonggang collab na ito. Ang tanong ko, para kay Bianca, kay Robbie, kay Mele, at saka kay Alexa, kasi syempre, yun doon sa mga celebrity housemates na papasok. Bukod dun sa lagi na nating sinasagot na pagpapakatotoo. Sila Bianca.
Ako siguro ibabase ko sa naging mali ko nung housemate ako. Masyado ko ino-overthink lahat. Every little thing. Sobrang nandito ako sa ulo ko. Sinabihan pa ako ni Kuya ng, Bianca, gamitin mo ang puso mo. Huwag lang ang utak mo. Ganon. So, as hard as it is, mahirap man, try not to overthink. Kasi you really should just have fun because it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Yeah, Robbie.
Si Melay muna.
Ako naman, sinabihan ako ni Big Brother, Melay, gamitin mo utak mo. Wag ang puso. Brother, hindi ako nag-iisip. Charing lang.
Pero ginamit mo rin yung puso mo doon,
Kaya,
sa loob.
Yes! Siya ang nagwagi.
Correct.
Hindi siguro, aside sa pagkatotoo, lagi din sinasabi namin ito mag-enjoy. Kasi syempre celebrity sila, di ba? I'm sure 24 hours yung trabaho. Alam mo yung halos everyday yung trabaho nila. Ikuan nila ito, i-reset nila yung utak nila na para silang nag-retreat, nag-bakasyon. Di ba? Para silang nagkaroon ng self-time, me-time sa sarili nila. And getting to know to self-time? Ano ba yung
Me-time.
Okay, I'm now signing off. So, nagpagkaroon sila ng me-time kasi mindset lang yan i-mindset mo lang sarili mo. Huwag mong i-mindset na para kang nagkompetisyon talaga. Huwag na huwag yan, very no-no yan. Kasi dyan ka talaga yan ang ikakaibig mo. Basta mag-enjoy and i-treat mo yung sarili mo doon sa loob na para talagang, huwag talaga. Election ko na, tayo na ba? Naintindihan nyo naman ako. Robbie?
I think si Alexa.
Sige po.
Alexa.
I think halos pare-pareho din po kami ng maa-advise. Para naman po sa akin, siguro not to strategize too much. Yun po yung napansin ko kasi tuwing nakakanood ako and sa recent din and pati nung edition ko po, parang para sa mga taong nag-strategize, who try to calculate their moves, it just doesn't work as well as being your true self talaga or just letting things flow. And pati yung pakikitungo kasi sa ibang tao, medyo nagiging, yun nga, parang medyo calculated or a little staged. And people know it. People can sense when it's genuine. And people, yeah, they can, like what Gabby said, they can see through you din eh. So, just don't strategize too hard. Para din, syempre po, ma-enjoy mo yung journey. Because it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to say that you went in as a housemate sa pinakasikat na bahay sa buong mundo, sa buong bansa. So, don't ruin your fun by strategizing too hard. Kasi at the end of the day, may mananalo naman talaga at matatalo. But winner ka pa din kasi na-experience mong maging housemate.
At minsan it's up to the people din na nanonood.
Yes, no matter how hard you try to calculate things, nasa tao pa rin talaga kung ano yung perception nila sa'yo, kung tatanggapin ka nila or hindi. So, you leave it up to fate na talaga. Yan ba?
Go, Robbie.
Simple lang. Mag-ambag ka. Kasi yung ibang mga celebrities or yung ibang mga housemates actually, isipin nila, paano kung hindi ako marunong magluto? Paano kung hindi ako marunong maglaba? Di ba? Dami-dami yung mga household chores dyan. Maglinis ka, maghugas ka ng pinggan. Kasi lalong-lalo na for this edition ng PBB, everyone's a celebrity, yes, pero you are a celebrity and also your housemate together with other people. So makisama ka at magbigay ka ng sarili mo ambag.
Paano naman pagdating sa love life at saka sa paglilink?
Sorry?
Sa linking, sa loob ng bahay. Kasi every edition laging may nalilink o, di ba? Unang-una na dyan, syempre si Mele na napangasawa niya.
Yun! Strategy ba yun?
Actually, ngayon ko lang aaminin sa inyo. It was all a show.
Pagkatapos niya magkaanak.
Sorry, hindi pa na show. So, yung link, yung mga link.
Oo, syempre yung pumapag-ibig sa loob
Actually,
ng
yung mga
bahay.
pag-ibig talaga, hindi mo na mapipigilan yan. Kung ang puso mo na talaga nagsalita doon.
Yes.
Kasi kahit, di ba, tayo naman talaga magsasabi talaga na yan, Ate B, di ba, tayo talaga magkakaroon yan. Kasi pag kunwari, kayo lang sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, talagang hindi mo mapipigilan ang puso mo na ma-inlove talaga. Kasi four corners. hindi mo, kasi syempre kayo lang nasa loob, kahit kayo siguro, ipasok kayo talagang, alam mo yung, makikita nyo yung good side ng tao, na kahit sa iba parang bad side, pero parang good ito. Diba? So, si Lord lang din nakakaalam yan.
Si Ate B na na-link din noon.
Yes, yun nga yung sasabihin ko. Sinabi ko lang sa kanila.
AC, di ba?
Napakahirap pigilan talaga. Sobra. Imagine, kung may type ka sa loob ng bahay, tapos mula pagkagising sa umaga, tapos bago ka matulog sa gabi, nakikita mo, tapos bibigyan ka pa ng mga tasks na parang mapapalapit ang loob nyo sa isa't isa. Si Alexa may mga experience din dito.
Yes, susunod na siya.
It's hard. It's hard. Lalo na kung nagpapakatotoo ka lang. I mean, it's something na masasabi ko now, looking back 19 years ago, dami ko natutunan and it only made me stronger. So, hindi kasalanan ma-in love, except you have to pay the consequences kung meron man. Ayun lang.
Pero kung may crush ka sa loob ng bahay kayo, huwag mo nang ipakaramdam kay Big Brother. Kay bakit?
Makikita din niya. Alam niyo yung nakakatulong din,
Oo,
yung
mga
panlukso ng mga housemates.
Correct.
Minsan yun ang sumapaisip ka, oh nga no, parang ganyan.
Gusto ko ba talaga siya?
Pero ito lang ang masasabi ko, mapipigilan mo pa yung utot, pero yung pag-inlove mo, yung pagka-inlove mo, hindi mo mapipigilan sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Totoo!
Then 24 hours ka makikita, tapos makikita ni Big Brother na gumagano'n ka pag nakatingin ka sa isang house, may gano'n ka.
Correct.
Ay!
Talangin ka.
Kinabukasan, may task na kayong dalawa.
Ilabas mo na yan. Huwag mong pigilan.
Alexa,
Yes po.
naging collab team mo.
Amin kasi ni Katie, hindi siya plinano sa loob. I mean, it's not something we saw coming din as two individuals. Wala kaming gusto sa isa't isa nun sa loob ng bahay. As in, ate nga ate pa nga
Yes, true.
Ate mo noon, ano ngayon?
Nung inibig, tinanong ko si Alexa, ate, tas paglabas parang more than ate na.
I guess we had time to actually process things, realize things, look back at things, and then that's where you realize na, oh, okay. So I think my kwento is a bit different from theirs kasi mas sa outside world na po kami. But thanks to the house, I met him. So, yes.
From ate to akin.
Ayan, si Robin lang yata ang, meron ba na-leak sa'yo?
Si Joseph. Si Joseph Elizalde. Yun ang nanig sa akin. Kami yung BFF.
Kasi kontrano kayo, di ba?
Pero
Ateneo and
Oo, Ateneo Lasal during my edition. Pero yung totoo nun kasi, darating yung moment na pati yung mga panaginip mo, mga housemates mo na rin. Ganun siya. Everyone can attest to that, di ba? Kasi sila rin nakikita mo eh. So yun ang mundo mo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Proximity, parang you get attached to people because of the proximity.
Thank you so much.
Di, tsaka mahirap pa in love dun sa edition nyo kasi may parents, di ba?
Na-in-love yung parents actually.
May kasama, di ba, napapasok sa bahay, napanood ko yun. Kinder ako, pinapanood ko na.
Oh, ay! Ganun katagal. So,
Oo,
hindi pa pinapanak naman yan. Ay,
Bless ka na kay Rob.
grabe ka. Kinder.
Hindi, napanood ko yun. Mahirap na malink doon kasi may parents. Iba-iba talaga yung iba-iba talaga yung pasabog per
Every edition.
Kaya excited na ang lahat for this. Okay,
Yes.
let's go to our next friend from the media. From Stars Photog, Mr. Alan Sanco.
We're so excited for this collab. I just want to ask Gabby and Mavi, kasi you're a great actor, you're a great host dun sa mga previous project niya sa GMA, and now you're on PBB, di ba? Pero how do you prepare for this? Kasi this is a different kind of hosting, di ba? Para ma-capture nyo yung hearts ng mga audience. Kasi iba rin ang audience ng PBB, di ba? Iba yung audience sa awards night or sa TV, di ba? This time, how do you prepare para ma-capture nyo yung hearts ng mga audience sa PBB?
Well, I feel like it's also the same as being a housemate. I will study until maka-research ako sa kung anong pwede kong gawin, but at the same time, I don't want to plan things so much. I don't want to strategize that much. I just want to be myself when I host PBB. I want to be as authentic as possible. And ayun, gusto ko lang din magpakatotoo as a host. So I don't want to be pressured na kailangan ko sundan si ganito. I want to be myself. So yun po. And of course, I've been doing my share also. I've been learning so much. I've been doing my research, learning from my mentor, Tito Boy, from my co-host, kay Ate Bianca, kay Robbie, kay Melay, and kay Alexa. So, ayun, I just wanna let things unfold naturally for me.
Thank you. Mavi na.
Nice answer, Gabby. Grabe. Hirap mag-follow up dun. Pero, want to let things naturally unfold, no? But besides that, syempre, I think it's just getting to know different types of personalities, no? So, nagbabasa din ako, like, online, of course, mga libro, and I have may pinsan kasi ako na nag-graduate sa BS Psychology. So, I want to get to know the different types of personalities, but nagkakaroon ng ganung type of personality, why does this certain occasion happen, so that when I get to, not really judge, but to get to know the housemates, no, with Alexa, I get to say the proper terms, you know, that's so important nowadays, no? Kung bakit sila naging ganito or whatsoever, para lang maging proper lahat. So yan yung naging preparation ko for this hosting.
Okay, thank you everyone. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Alan. And now, I have a question for ating mga nagwagwapuhang mga bosses. Ganun talaga dito sa ABS-CBN, Kaloy. Kahit yung mga bosses namin, artistahin.
Actually, kaya ang question dito kung join na rin ba sila papasok ng bahay. Pero,
So,
but,
why PBB po? And while this has been a long time request for viewers, sino po ang nakaisip to collaborate at pagsamahin ang kapuso at kapamilya sa iisang bahay? Direk Lauren, thank you.
I think the decision came because of previous collaboration already with GMA, from Unbreak My Heart to Showtime. So, napag-uusapan na ano pa yung pwedeng mga possibilities. So, nung nabanggit yung PBB, because it will bring together artists from two groups, from Sparkle and Star Magic, I think it was a natural, it's an easy decision to say, yes, that would be a good collaboration because one, it will make the artists joining this collab will make them build better affinity with the audience. So parang hindi mahirap pag-desisyonan yun. So, and it's an exciting brand. It's one of the brands that we took very good care of in ABS. So, alam naman namin that it will also be, it will add value to PBB with this big collaboration with Sparkle and Star Magic.
Thank you, Derek. Ito po may phone-in question daw po. Yung mga housemates daw po ba, talaga pong strictly from Sparkle and Star Magic, or pwede pong may kapamilya at kapuso na not necessarily from Star Magic at Sparkle?
Well, that was a decision point. The housemates have to be signed up with Sparkle and Star Magic. Yeah, and I'm actually very grateful to the bosses of GMA because parang no question they agreed to go through the process of yung selection of the housemates. They agreed that the tradition and the rules that we've been doing for all the editions of Big Brother, hindi sila walang kahirap-hirap makipag-collaborate, especially for this. Very tricky kasi mamili ng housemates for this collaboration. But we made sure that the same criteria that we had from the other editions, we stick to that because it's a format requirement. And we had also our consultants agreeing to the choices that we were making. So nagkaroon din ng panel interview, nagkaroon din ng immersion, talagang in the works. Nagkaroon din ng medical test, psych test, lahat ng test so that we ensure that pagpasok sa bahay, they can handle. It's a pressure cooker talaga ang Big Brother. You cannot really prepare for it. The more you prepare for it, lalo kang hibangin ni Kuya dyan. So I suppose you really just have to be yourself, enjoy. Sabi nga ni Robbie, matuto lang makisama. I think that's important, di ba? Ma-discover din ng tao at ma-discover nila, the celebrities, na ito rin pala yung kaya gawin without the trappings of social media, without their phones, without TV, without anything, without news, at naririnig lang nila si Kuya who's guiding them, at nakikisama lang sila sa iba't ibang klaseng tao. Ang laking ang laking enrichment for them as artists kasi it will build a lot of character para sa kanila.
Maraming salamat po, Direk Lauren.
It's the magic of PBB. That it really show the true selves of all artists na papasok for this, and the previous editions na talagang...
This question is directed naman for our hosts. Ito ang tanong, kung bawat isa sa inyo,
have you ever had that thought? At bawat host ay, you'll give one name of a celebrity.
Again, lang po to wishful thinking, special power. Hindi po namin sinasabing ito talaga yung magiging housemates.
When you heard about this collaboration between two...
Can I go first?
Go ahead.
Okay, go Robbie.
Saan ka punta?
You may go now, you may go.
Sparkle artist?
Pwede, Sparkle or Star Magic?
Yes.
I'll go with Alden.
Alden,
para hello, love, again.
Pwede.
Again and again.
Well, okay, sige.
Can I go to the second?
Okay, go.
Where are you going?
Ako siguro, pero bago ko sabihin pala, mag-shoutout muna tayo kay Jazz na housemate na dating season. Nandito
Hello, Jazz.
Nagsusupport siya sa atin dito. Yes. Ito ako, gusto ko si Ma'am si Jules. Ma'am si Julie naman because Star Magic, because that would be fun para sa isang magkaroon naman ng Ma'am si doon sa loob at paano niya i-handle yung ating mga celebrity.
Tsaka icon si Ma'am.
Yes, our icon Ma'am si Julie naman sa nga. Yes, next Ma'am.
Can I go third?
Yeah, go ahead. By all means.
Pero hindi po ako sure if she's a Sparkle artist or Star Magic artist. Pero pangarap ko talaga mapanood sa Pinoy Big Brother ay si Miss Rufa May. Rufa May. Yes, go.
Gaganon siya. Gabi-gabi, manonood ako talaga noon. Kailangan ipa-psychology test si Kuya bago siya kausapin. Baka hindi kayanin ni Kuya.
The other way around pala.
Oo, masaya no.
Tatawa lang tayo ng tatawa pag ganun.
Ako, sige.
Sige na Evic.
Next na ako.
Miss B.
Sparkle, I believe, si Khalil.
Parang masaya, di ba?
And what do you think of that, Gabby?
8 years, happy 8 years.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Actually, babantayan kita kapag
Yeah,
pumasok.
exactly.
May playback
Ibang
kami.
Khalil yung makikita sa loob ng bahay. What more ang makikilala ni Gabby about Khalil? Jacqueline. So,
Oh my
wishful
gosh.
thinking.
Uy, wala. Parang ayoko i-wish yun.
Muna. Oo, okay. How about you?
Who's gonna go fourth?
Di na ako lalayo. Siyempre, si Miss Cassie Legaspi. So, makita yung kapatid ko sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya at asarin ko siya from the outside. Yun, si Cassie.
Cute. O ako na lang. Dapat si Cassie din isasagot ko. Naunahan mo ko. Kasi nga,
Ako na
magandang
lang.
makita yung dynamics. Alam mo si Mavi Legaspi, ipasok na natin. Ngayon na. Ngayon na. Opening night natin, ipasok na natin si Mavi
Agad-agad
Legaspi.
mo.
Ready
Total,
naman
gusto
ang
naman
suitcase
niya.
niya.
Tsaka
Tapos
nag-consult
nangyari
siya
yun.
sa psychologist. So I think kailangan niyang i-apply himself. Yes.
Experience it
Mami,
yourself.
oras na. Sorry na.
Well, thank you very much for your question.
And on weekends naman po, at 6:15 p.m.
And every Saturday naman mga kapuso at kapamilya, makakasama niyo po kami ni Alexa sa online tambayan ni Kuya.
That's every 6:15 p.m. as well on Kapamilya Online Live.
And from Mondays to Fridays sa GMA, mapapanood niyo ang PBB update sa umaga at hapon kasama ako. 2-3 minutong update sa mga latest happenings sa bahay ni Kuya ang ibibigay ko sa inyo.
Yes! And once again, mapapanood mo ang Pinoy Big Brother episodes on Free TV, on GMA, at pati na rin sa Kapamilya Online Live, I Want TFC, and TFC Channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat, to everyone who joined us here, media and press. Everyone sa live stream, salamat! We cannot wait to start this new season with all of you. Kaya sabay-sabay po tayo mag-abang ngayong March 9 sa teleserye ng Totoong Buhay. Ito ang
Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition!
Our hosts for the media here and our photographers, please get on standby as we have our photo op, official photo op.
Palakpakan ng mga press media! Thank you sa kanyang pagpunta sa amin ha. Thank you. Si Kaloy at si VJ Aye, thank you.
Love you, Bobo. Picture. And thank you also to the PR kits from my brands, GSM Blue, Black and Gold, Habit Supplements. Thank you so much, and PH Care. Sa likod. Kayang po. Kikikihon na ka, kikikihon. Ano? Gano'n ka ba? Okay po, thank you so much po. Salamat. Kaway lang po tayo.
Gabi Mavi. Gabi Mavi. Picture. Kayong dalawa, Gabi Mavi. Dito.
Gab here. After Gab here, sign. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Alexa Mavi, online ho. Alexa Mavi, online ho.
Gabi.